Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Coinbase to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, is a popular choice, and transferring it between exchanges like Coinbase and Uphold can be done in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Uphold, and that you have some TRX in your Coinbase wallet. Always double check that Uphold supports TRX deposits. It's a good idea to verify this on their website before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and select the Assets or Portfolio section. Find TRX in your list of holdings and click on it to open your TRX wallet. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. This is usually prominent on the wallet page. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, go to your Uphold account, navigate to your TRX wallet, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's the correct network. TRX typically uses the Tron network, so select that if asked. Step 3. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field on Coinbase. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees. These can vary, so aim to send enough to cover costs without overdoing it. Step 4. Double-check everything, address, amount, and fees, to avoid any mistakes. Once you're sure, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Tron network are usually fast, but it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once it's done, head back to Uphold and refresh your wallet to see your TRX arrive. And there you have it. That's how you send TRX from Coinbase to Uphold in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.